Hello and welcome. Let's continue our discussion and today we will learn how to use video and audio in HTML5. This is going to be very fun because this feature is new in HTML5. In HTML4 we didn't have any video or audio feature like this. If you used to use a video or audio, you must have any player or Flash, Adobe Flash, something like that. But in HTML5 you can use video, you can bring video. They have predefined player, you can use audio, all of those things. So let's create a file 012 audio and video HTML. Okay, the file name is a little large, it doesn't matter. So let's put our boilerplate here, working with video and audio. Okay, don't open the tag here. This is very simple. Let's start learning the audio first. There are some ways that you can use. You go to W3 School, they teach you another way. I will use a little bit change because this is the simple way. Just open the audio tag. Audio is for bringing any type of audio, MP3, music, anything. So the way it works is it has an attribute. As you know, attribute just add extra information to any tag. Then it has a closing tag here. You put the source of your music here. For now I don't have any music, but if I go to my desktop I have one video and one audio here. This one is MP3, this one is MP4. I just cut both of them. Going to web design, we have a media folder, so let's go there and put them here in the media folder. The reason is just I want to make the file structure a little better. It is very clean now like this. So I will go to the media. You know about the source file. Previously we worked on the links, how you can go to any website. The same way here, if you are going to reference any file, just write their name, the name of the folder, where it starts. The thing is that our file is here, where it should go to the media. Just write the media, then slash, it is going to go to inside the folder. So what is our music name? This one is MP3. So this is a traditional song. As you can see, the Visual Studio Code, it can help me to write the full name of that. By default it can understand this one. So if I put it here, let's open it in browser, audio and video. For now it is showing nothing. What is wrong? It is going to add that, but it will not display unless you add a few extra attributes. The first one is, let's say the first one is autoplay. If I put autoplay here, okay, you can put it like this one, true. This is fine. Autoplay means true. Autoplay means once someone open it in browser, it should automatically play the music. If I refresh the page now, as you can see, I can hear the voice, right? Okay, I will close this, but I cannot see the player. How can I pause this? How can I change the volume? Something like that. There is another attribute, controls equal to true, the same thing. Let the control appear. If I open it this time, as you can see, I can see, okay, let me pause this one to hear my voice. As you can see, I have the player controls here. I can just make forward it, make it mute, or change the volume like this one. This is very simple. I play now, again I can play this one. As you can see, this is very simple. Now you can write anything here. Okay, refresh the page. Okay, as you can see, listen to music will appear here. If you want to display it, okay, let me pause this one. If you want to display another line, just put a BR here. For now we will use this style, but in the future I will show you the best practice to design these things, because this is not the best practice. We are using BR, we cannot use them everywhere. So this is how you add audio tag. This is this much simple. But what come inside this one? As you can see, the image we use, there is no ending tag for this one, for the image. Just you write the source and whole alternative. If you don't know about the image, just watch the working with image video on the channel. So here is what you write here. As I said, the HTML5 audio was not in HTML4 it was not supported. So when HTML5 when it came, most browser did not support it, like Internet Explorer 8. I don't know about the lower version of Internet Explorer, mostly it was not supporting. That's why there should be the way to say that your browser does not support this one. So you can write it here. You can write your browser does not support audio tag, something like this. For us it is not going to display here because our browser is up to date, it is displaying. But if the browser does not support it, this one will show. If you are designing any website, you must write this one, because some people have an older browser, some people might use Windows XP, something like that. That's why it will show like this instead of showing nothing, to let them know that their browser does not support something, they miss something like that. So for now this is it, like this. And I think there is nothing. Okay, there are some other attributes like muted true. This time if I refresh my page, by default it is mute, but it is split 1 2 3 4 5, something like that, but it is mute. I can now change the volume like this. So this is another attribute here, the controls, autoplay. I think that's it for now, but in the future, if we work on the real project, we will show you some other things as well. For now I'll just an HTML and H3 of using video in HTML5. Under this one I will write an HR, just to refresh your mind. HR, yes, of course it will display an horizontal line for us. So the way you use video is almost similar to audio. Just write video like this. It need a source the same way as you need for the audio. Just going to media, then inside this one we have a video.mp4 for now. If I save this one again, what you write above will come here. So I will not going to explain this one. Your browser does not support video tag. Refresh the page. As you can see, yes, here is our video. Yeah, it is showing, but there is no control again. It is also the same thing. You can put a width here for this one. Let's say width of 500 pixel. This is not the best practice, but we will show it like this one. This is our video, but it does not have any control. Of course it has an auto play true. If I refresh, yeah, now it automatically played this one. So if I come here and say we have controls to, it does not matter which one you write first, as long as you are writing it. So I'll come and refresh the page. Yeah, this time we can see the controls. Here you can make it full screen, maximize. Okay, you can change the volume. You can do anything you want. That's it. I think this is this much simple. You have width, you have autoplay, you have control, you have muted too here. If you write muted, refresh, by default is muted because you have written this, the muted attribute here. If you do not give any value, it still is working the same way for autoplay and control. Both of them are working in both of audio and video. I think that is this much simple. And the next thing you need to know is, how about a feature image here? You know the feature image. Before you play any video on YouTube, they show you a very nice feature image to attract you. So how you use that in HTML5 here? Let me remove the autoplay. It does not play, so that you can see the feature image before displaying. Let us see our picture. What is this? Okay, let's display this one before someone play the video. You can write a poster. The poster attribute will go to the image1.jpg. You can write the source to any image. It will display that image for you. This time if I refresh, as you can see, we see the nice picture here. If I play this. Now it will play the video. It is mute. You can change the volume. That's this much simple. I think that's it for the video. You can go to W3 School and practice there. If you found any extra information about this one, you can share them on the comments. I hope it has been informative for you. If you have any questions so far, feel free to comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because we have a lot of other video to come, and I have a lot of plan and I will upload some more videos. And thank you for watching.